I'm so proud. As a daughter, as a family, we are so proud because my dad truly poured his heart out to the community. And to see that come back in the form of a building, a center, being named and constructed on his behalf is absolutely amazing.
In order for the city to progress, in order for us to keep up with the needs of our community, we need projects like this. We need to build for the community.
I just want to say thank you for recognizing the awesome and amazing man that my dad was.
This was a man that really made an impact in his community. He loved his community. He worked here for many, many, many years. I personally saw him giving to others in this community that did not have.
We heard the community through that process, and they wanted certain things to change about the way in which we designed it, and we listened to you, and we made that happen. And I say that because for me, the most important thing that I like to tell my staff is that we must engage the community in the decision-making process. And we want to make sure that you are involved at all times in the decisions that we make.
It's a special building. A lot of time went into its planning, and now that we're right now on the precipice of getting this done, this is a great, great thing for our city, and it will always bear the name of Johnny Tigner.